Thinking about moving abroad?
Here are the top reasons why should you choose Canada. We move on, we highly recommend you to subscribe to our channel.
So, the first reason why you should consider moving to Canada is the easy and transparent application process to get a permanent residence here. If you're considering moving abroad and settling down in a foreign country, and if you list out all the options that are currently welcoming immigrants, Canada is definitely on the top list. There are many routes to get your immigration done to Canada. The popular ones being higher studies. You can do your higher studies, masters here. The other being the Canada Express Entry program. If you're moving as a permanent resident, you have more flexibility compared to the other categories. Many countries offer work permit and visa, but have tight restrictions on the nature of work that you are eligible to work on. In Canada, though, you can do any job you want from the day one. Say, for example, you can drive a Uber, you can work on a restaurant, you can work for an IT company, or even start your own business. So that's the flexibility you get when moving here. And once you get a permanent residence, you can apply for a citizenship in 3 years.
You have the right to move and work in any part of Canada and you can do any kind of work, whatever you want to.
There are some exceptions to move around Canada if you have been nominated through the PNP program. That's something to watch out for. Point number 2, finance. Canada has a very robust economy and a very strong job market. And the most important thing is people from different walks of life, coming in from different industries, coming in from different countries and different skill set, they are able to find a suitable profession here. One most important thing to note about Canada is the minimum wage. So here in Ontario, the minimum wage is somewhere around $14 per hour. So be in any job, part-time, full-time, the employers are required by law to pay you minimum wages,
Which is quite good.
which is quite good.
Here in Canada, both husband and wife can work if they have a PR, unlike other countries.
Being a neighboring country of United States and having a similar time zone definitely helps boost Canadian job market from United States. If you really want to work in US, getting a Canadian citizenship after 3 years of Canada PR, you will be eligible for a TN visa that can help you to move across US.
So, if you're a couple and both of you are working, one person's income would be enough to handle all the expenses in Canada, and other person's income could be used as savings.
The savings can be used for your house purchase here, or buying a car, or planning for your retirement.
Also, vacation.
Yes. Other than the monetary benefits offered by different positions in Canada, there are many other benefits as well, like many companies offer unlimited sick leaves. If you are a full time employee, every month there is a deduction in your payslip for employment insurance, which can cover any layoffs or any mishaps.
Point 3, education. Canadian government provide free public education to all kids from kindergarten to grade 12, which is really very good.
Though the education system is free, the quality of education is definitely top notch.
So if you're a parent thinking about your kids' education, moving to Canada would be one of the best options.
Canada is also home to some of the top ranked universities in the world, include University of Toronto, University of British Columbia, and McGill University, which is also known as the Harvard of Canada. Studying in a top ranked university can definitely be expensive, but if you are a resident of Canada or a citizen of Canada, you will have a low fee structure compared to the international students. Sometimes the difference can be around 2 to 3 times or even more. Point 4, healthcare,
Canada is known for its free public healthcare.
which includes emergency, regular doctor visits, the drugs involved during the treatment, and even the scans and tests that are involved in the treatments as well. Some of the costs might not be covered, and those are also covered by your insurance provider. So, if you are working full time in Canada, most of the times you will have these covered by your insurance provider. Your private insurance also covers massage and chiropractic treatments as well. something which you could definitely leverage.
Interesting. So,
Interesting. The quality of treatment is definitely good. Something to watch out for is the wait time. If you are a newcomer here from a different country where you are used to a private hospitalization, you might find it a bit different here in the initial days.
point 5. Bringing your parents and grandparents.
There are three ways to get your parents and grandparents to Canada. The popular one is the parent and grandparent program. The second one is the super visa program. And the third one is the regular multi-entry visa program.
Through the PGP program, you can sponsor your parents and grandparents so that they can get their PR in Canada.
In the year 2021, Canadian government will invite 30,000 applications in PGP program, giving more Canadians and permanent residents the opportunity to bring their parents and grandparents to Canada.
Super visa and regular multi-entry visa are quite similar. With one exception, in super visa, your parents and grandparents can stay with you for 2 years without the need to extend their visa status. Whereas in regular multi-entry visa, they have to renew their visa status every 6 months. Yes.
Super Canada. Point number 6.
Security.
Point number 6. Security.
According to Global Peace Index, Canada has been ranked 6th out of 163 countries for peace. It is definitely one of the safest countries in the world.
Canada also ranks as number 2 for racial equality, according to a survey conducted by US News. When we move to another country, we generally have a fear of how we will be treated. Here in Canada, people are very friendly and there are a lot of immigrants here, so you will never feel unwelcomed. Canadians believe it is important to promote diversity and tolerance in order for their country to flourish.
So when we talk about security, an important thing that comes to our mind is gun culture. In Canada, owning a firearm requires a lot of licensing, proper training, and a lot of background checks conducted. Point 7. Value in tax payment.
Canada in general is seen as a country having a higher taxation level, but the tax money we pay is returned back to us in different forms. There are so many well-maintained parks and trails and recreational centers in the heart of the city. All of these provides a good, pleasant environment to go for a walk, to play with your kids, or do some physical activities like swimming, badminton, tennis, basketball, etc. Most of them being totally free for use, all from your tax money.
Public transport in Canada, especially in the cities, are really good. Here in Toronto, one good point is your kids get to travel in public transit for free until 18 years.
There are many benefits you get from the Canadian government based on your income and family conditions. For example, your family is eligible to receive Canada Child Benefits, which is a tax-free monthly payment based on your income and number of children you have. For example, if you have 3 children under 6 years of age and you have no source of income, you can get around $500 per month per child to help raise your child here in Canada.
Similarly, there are many benefits that help a low income family to lead a good life in Canada.
Point number 8.
Quality of life. When we talk about lifestyle, Canada has high standard of living with great quality of life. This is one of the main reasons why Canada has highest life expectancy around 80 years.
Next most important thing about lifestyle is the work-life balance. People don't expect you to work beyond 5 p.m. and definitely not on weekends. Almost all Friday noons are even very chilled and relaxed, and people take off around 3 p.m. to spend their time with their loved ones and family or do something which they really enjoy.
Yes. People here like to keep their environment very clean, either it is a private or public space. I was quite surprised by the cleanliness they maintain in the public park, bus stops, and also the common to use restrooms.
You can find that every building, road, walk path, and even transport systems have been specially designed for physically challenged communities.
Point 9. Point 9. Natural beauty. Canada is massively huge. It is the second biggest country in the world. Canada is home to different landscape, majestic mountains, historic architecture, beautiful blue lakes and rivers, variety of wildlife and natural parks.
Some of the most important locations include Quebec, known for its architecture and buildings from European influence. Ontario is known for its large forests, beautiful provincial parks, great lakes, and world famous Niagara Falls and CN Tower.
Alberta is known for its Rocky Mountains, Banff National Park, fossils, it has Dino Park, and natural reserves. Banff National Park is considered as one of the jewel of Canadian Rockies, and this is one of the must visit place in the world. Canada's westmost province, British Columbia, is known for its warm winters and pleasant summer, huge fir trees, and high mountains.
Definitely don't miss out on the Northern Lights. Northwest Territories of Canada are one of the best locations to see the Northern Lights during winter. When it comes to natural beauty, Canada's natural scenic beauty is definitely hard to beat.
The last point.
Number 10, general happiness.
Most Canadians are happy and satisfied due to good health, decent income, safety, and racial acceptance irrespective of any background.
It is one among the 20 happiest countries in the world. Here, people are treated equally and respected, irrespective of how much money they make and their social status.
Canadians are known for their politeness. Being humble and considerate to others is a strong part of their culture. According to 2021 Best Countries report, Canada has been ranked number 1. Yes, number 1 country. Overall, Canada is a great country to immigrate, settle down, raise your family, and make some decent income, and also have lots of fun. Hey guys, hope you liked our video. Please don't forget to subscribe for future videos about Canada.
If you think you have more information on this topic, please let us know your thoughts on the comment section below.
Thank you.